I, Senior Superintendent of Police, Olama David, swear by the Almighty God that the evidence I shall give now touching the matter before court will be the truth and nothing but the whole truth.
Where were you on that day?
That day, I was at Karere roundabout. We were coming, people were coming on motorcycles, motor vehicles, and even the truck. He knew that he was mobilizing more people to join him in the process.
It is also not an offense for a driver to man a vehicle when I'm standing out of my open roof.
It depends. It can be an offense. It can be.
When can it be an offense for someone to stand in an open roof when the vehicle is being built?
It can be an offense, like in this particular case.
When can it be an offense?
It can be an offense when it is not the right time for doing it.
Uganda police treats Ugandans in different ways, because we had a witness here who is a senior superintendent of police. That is a very senior officer of police, and what he was giving court, I think, is very interesting, because it shows that police treats different people differently. Some people make their signs and which have no problem before the eyes of the police, and other things which show the partiality of the police. I think at the end of this trial, our citizens and the entire world indeed will know what type of police we have.